Workout routines on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, open the MyFitnessPal app. Scroll this bar, you can see here at the dashboard different options will appear here. Firstly, just make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the workouts. Click on the explores here. You can see different types of workouts are here. Full body burn, dumbbell only routines according to your requirements. Different types of works are available. You have to select any of them and add it to your routine. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.